Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best photo backdrops is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked elements in creating stunning visuals, transforming a simple space into a captivating scene that elevates your subject and tells a story. Whether you're a professional photographer, a budding content creator, or simply someone looking to add a touch of magic to your personal projects, having the right backdrop can make all the difference in achieving that polished, impactful look you desire. Number 5. GFCC 8 FTX 10 FT White Photography Backdrop. Elevate your photography with this professional 8x10-foot white backdrop. It's designed to provide a seamless and clean background for stunning results. Crafted from 100% polyester, this backdrop is built to last. It's washable, ironable, and foldable, making it incredibly easy to store and transport. Featuring a convenient 3.2-inch rod pocket at the top, hanging it is a breeze. It offers a great vertical feel for any setup. Ideal for a wide range of applications, including video production, parties, weddings, and portraits of newborns, children, or products. Keep it looking like new with simple cleaning. Use warm water and a gentle detergent, and steam iron if needed for a flawless finish. Its generous size is perfect for capturing large scenes or group photos. You'll have ample space for subjects and props. What we like? This backdrop is made of 100% polyester, offering a seamless and durable surface for your shots. It's washable and ironable, ensuring it always looks its best. If you need a versatile and easy-to-maintain backdrop for a variety of events like parties, weddings, or product photography, this is a great choice. What people say. The stand is sturdy and easy to set up, making it great for quick photo sessions. The backdrop material is wrinkle-resistant and holds its color well, providing a professional look. It comes with a convenient carrying bag, which is perfect for transporting and storing the equipment. Number 4. EMART 8x8-foot Photography Backdrop Stand. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a professional photo shoot. It features adjustable stands, crossbars, and a variety of clamps and holders to secure your backdrop. Setting up your studio has never been easier. This system is designed for quick assembly and breakdown, with clear instructions that allow for one-person setup. Customize your shooting space with versatile adjustability. You can easily modify both the height, from 3 to 8 feet, and the width, from 4 to 8 feet, to fit any scene. Built with a sturdy aluminum alloy, this support is both lightweight and durable. Its wide base ensures stability, even when fully extended, providing a reliable foundation for your backdrops. Keep your backdrops perfectly in place and free of wrinkles. The strong spring clamps and clip holders provide a reliable grip, ensuring your backdrop stays put without shifting or tearing. This backdrop support system is perfect for a wide range of applications. Use it for family gatherings, weddings, professional photography, or lively parties to create the perfect atmosphere. What we like? This is a lightweight yet sturdy support system designed for ease of use. It's highly adjustable, allowing you to customize the height and width for different backdrops. If you're looking for a portable and reliable stand that can accommodate various fabric or paper backdrops for studio or event use, this kit is ideal. What people say. It works great and is easy to install. Most of all, it's portable and fits great in my broadcasting room. Good stand. I enjoyed that this model has one middle pole that extends, versus connection ones. It was stable and easy to use. Function-wise, it held up well even with kids running around it. I purchased this item and got it delivered within 2 days. Once it arrived, I was surprised at how small and light it was, which was very convenient if I need to take it for travel. I love that both the height and width are adjustable. The minimum width was around 4 feet and it goes out all the way to 8 feet. The height was around 212 feet all the way to 8 feet. It was super light and really easy to put together. Love that it had a lot of adjustments and lots of clips. I used mine to hang a green screen and it worked great. Number 3. Small Product Photography Backdrops, Dark. Elevate your product shots with our essential photography backdrops. They add visual interest and help showcase your small items beautifully, perfect for any online business or social media content. This compact, mini-sized setup is incredibly easy to use, whether you're in your studio or on the go. It's a great tool for tabletop, flat lay, and front view photography. Explore a variety of backgrounds with our double-sided textured paper kit. It's a must-have for content creators, influencers, and small business owners looking to enhance their product images. Setting up and switching between backgrounds is simple and quick. Plus, it comes with a convenient carry bag for easy storage and travel. Made from high-quality coated photography paper, these backdrops wipe clean easily. Just be mindful of the edges, as they are not waterproof. What we like. This product is perfect for small-scale photography, especially for items like jewelry, cosmetics, or food. Its compact size makes it incredibly convenient for tabletop setups or travel. If you're a UGC creator, blogger, or small business owner focusing on detailed product shots, these small, easy-to-manage backgrounds will elevate your visuals. What people say. Amazing backdrops. I love the colors and they are high quality. They are not waterproof, but I can wipe them with wet cloth to clean after shoots. Easy to set up. This is a good size for small items. Very sturdy material, better than I expected. The backdrops themselves are nice. They come in a good variety of colors and look attractive in photos once you manage to get them flat. Number 2. EMART 8.5 by 10 foot Photo Backdrop Stand Kit. Setting up your perfect scene is a breeze with our upgraded backdrop stand. Its simple installation makes it ideal for any event, whether you're indoors or enjoying the outdoors. Customize your backdrop with ease. The height and width are fully adjustable, allowing you to create the perfect size for any photo shoot. Locking it in place is simple, no extra hands needed. Keep your background materials firmly in place. Our strong clamps and clips are designed to hold fabric, balloons, paper, and more, ensuring your decorations stay put. Enjoy double the stability with our reinforced base and included sandbags. This design provides a sturdy foundation, preventing accidental tipping in various indoor and outdoor settings. Transporting your studio setup is no longer a hassle. Made from premium metal, this stand is surprisingly lightweight and comes with a convenient portable bag for easy storage and travel. Everything you need is included: clamps, clips, sandbags, light stands, crossbars, and a portable bag. You'll have all the essential components for a professional setup. What we like. This backdrop stand offers a generous adjustable size and comes with essential accessories like clamps and sandbags for enhanced stability. Its premium metal construction is both lightweight and portable, making setup and breakdown a breeze. If you need a robust and stable support system for both indoor and outdoor shoots, especially for larger decorations or banners, this is a solid option. What people say. The setup is incredibly simple, able to assemble it by myself in just a few minutes, no extra hands needed. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor events like parties, photo shoots, and banners. The kit is well thought out and comes with everything you need: 6 clamps for clips, 2 sandbags, 2 light stands for crossbars, and a portable bag. The adjustable design is great. Both the width and height can be customized to fit your space, and the locking knobs make it super easy to secure. The clamps and clips are really strong. They easily hold fabric, paper backdrops, balloons, and string lights in place without shifting. Plus, with the sturdy base and included sandbags, this stand stays put, even outdoors. Number 1. EMART 8.5 by 10 foot Green Screen Backdrop Kit. This backdrop support system offers adjustable height and width, making it perfect for various photography needs. It's designed to hold heavy backdrops securely. Included are 3 6 by 9 foot muslin backdrops in black, white, and green. These durable, wrinkle-resistant backdrops are ideal for studio photography and event decoration. 4.5-inch spring clamps are provided to ensure your backdrop stays in place. They offer a strong grip for a stable setup. This comprehensive kit includes backdrops, a stand, clamps, and a high-quality portable bag. Everything you need can be packed away for easy transport. Whether for professional studio work, outdoor shoots, or creative projects, this kit is highly adaptable. It's suitable for portraits, product displays, and weddings. Achieve professional results with this easy-to-use backdrop kit. It's designed for both seasoned photographers and enthusiasts alike. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides an adjustable backdrop stand along with 3 essential colored muslin backdrops: black, white, and green. The fabric is wrinkle-resistant and durable, perfect for a professional finish. If you're a photographer or videographer who needs a versatile setup for portraits, product shots, or video recording with options for different color backgrounds, this kit offers great value. What people say. This backdrop is huge. I couldn't even fully extend it vertically in my home and, with all the extension bars in it, it was wider than my living room. The material also has curtain rod-like sleeves on one side that allow you to slide the frame poles through instead of clamping into place. Bonus. Everything breaks down and stores nicely in super convenient canvas travel case. Each tripod has its own pocket and the poles are bundled together in the middle pocket. Then it kinda rolls up and you latch it with Velcro straps. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.